Okay? Please all stand for a prayer. We will start now. It's already 5, right? Let's go. Okay? Can you put yourself in the holy presence of the Lord now as you as we all say that the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good evening, Lord God. Thank you for all the blessings that we have received, especially our life, our people, family, our loved ones. Guide us always in everything we do, and send your Holy Spirit to light the mind of the students that they will learn new concepts this week. This we ask in Jesus' name. Amen. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, please sit down.
God.
Don't say like that. Okay, so we're done already with module 2. Please do not talk when you are not asked. Do not answer before. Am I clear? Okay. Because you know that I'm giving you rewards for your performance task. Now, you are responsible for your rewards. Itahan ka mo, aron inyo nang ipingin nila. Kasi nabot kung nawala na ninyo, inyuha ng risk. Dili na kung muhatag lain, ma'am, nawala ako stars, ma'am, nawala ako circle, akong rewards. Once I was done giving it to you, that means it is your responsibility. Am I clear? Okay, we're done already with understanding typhoon, we're done also with earthquake, so we will move now to module 3, which is what is inside the earth. Okay? Now, we often think earthquakes as something harmful. Why? Why we think earthquake is harmful to people or to humans? Anong mo man na atong una answer? If you want to share, you raise your hands. Why? Sige. Because it's dangerous. Okay. What else? Why you think earthquake as a negative or bad? Why? Because it is deadly. Okay. Very good. Now, what else? Because it kills people. Correct? Now, so all that you are saying is all correct. Okay? Now, but I have this one question. Does earthquake has a positive or good effect? Naaba siya permi lang ba bad effect? Permi lang ba harmful effect sa earthquake sa mga human or naaba siya good effect? Okay, now let's go back. Does
Kita to now. Ito muna mo.
okay, continue. Now, let's go back to my question to you guys. Does earthquake has a good or positive effect to human? Have ideas? By the way, if you think you know the answer and then you want to give chance to other, you have to naman may stars. By the way, before we continue, let's have our objectives for tonight. One is identify the different layers of the earth. Second, label and describe the basic characteristics of the inner layer of the earth. Last, value the contribution of earthquake to the discovery of the composition of the interior, Earth's interior. Okay, let's go back again. Does earthquake has a positive or good effect? Who has one lang? One. Okay, this time.
Yes, ma'am. It regulates the planet.
It regulates the planet's temperature, okay? It could be very good. Somehow, it regulates, but not somehow, it really regulates, no? The earthquake. But one of the good effect, yes, that's correct, no? It has a good effect. Earthquake is not at all bad. No? That is natural phenomenon that we cannot prevent, but it has a good effect or to human. What are those? It gives, yeah, I did, yeah.
It does not take inheritance while regulates the planet's current air conditions. Concentrate gold and other rare metals and methane that kills chemical balance.
Okay, that's correct, no? That's also correct. But one of the good effect that I would share also, aside from dimension, is that earthquakes help scientists to figure out what is inside the Earth's interior. What do you mean by interior? Raise your hands. Give chance to other. Unsay pasabot sa word na interior? What do you mean by the word interior? Meaning? Sulod. Okay. Do you want to answer? What's the answer? Huh? Inside. Interior or inside? That's correct. That's synonym. Very good. Okay, now because of earthquake, scientists were able to figure out ilan na figure out or ilan na hibawaan nga sa ilalim di ay sa kalibutan inside the earth that it is a layered earth because of earthquake. So mo to iya ha, nakalindot na effect. Okay. Earthquakes, Earth's interior is limited. Ang knowledge sa Earth interior is limited. Meaning, wala dyan kaayo daghan nga nahibaw-an about sa Earth interior. Because the temperature and pressure increase with depth. What do you mean by depth? Very good. Now, more. Parang gusto nyo? Okay, ready. Okay, depth of mine is 9 kilometers and depth of magma chamber 64 kilometers only. So analysis on the basis of seismic waves. So what's the seismic waves? It is actually the vibration of the earth, or it is the earthquake. Earthquakes has three waves. Remember our module 1. Primary waves move fast through solid and liquid. Slow to liquid. Pero, makaagi siya sa luha. Secondary waves moves only through solid. Surface wave move the slowest. But let's have the summary. You can have it in your module as well. You have primary wave known as P wave. Fastest in speed can pass through solid liquid gas. The motion is push and pull. Secondary wave, S wave,
Not so
not
fast.
so fast.
Solid. Side to
Solid
side.
side to side motion. Surface wave,
L wave.
L wave, slowest, Earth surface,
up and down.
Okay. We mentioned these waves because they play an important role in knowing the layers of the Earth. No? Now, if you look at the magma chamber, so this is now how it looks like. The one that you made in your first module. You created a box with the surface. So these are somewhat your simulation, the box, and you have there the crust, the magma chamber, the asthenosphere, the lithosphere, and the subduction zone. Now, who can remember in your elementary days or grade 7, what do you think are the layers of the Earth? Who wants to answer? Oh, Lago.
Crust, mantle, core.
Okay, very good. No? Crust, mantle, and core. Those are the three major or the three layers of the earth. So let's try to get to know crust. So this is the crust. Who will read all about crust? Let's get to know crust. From this side, who will read?
Yun, ma'am.
Okay, go.
The crust is the thin outer layer of the earth where we live. Well, it looks thin on the picture and it is thin relative to the other layers. But don't worry, we're not going to fall through by
Sabi na.
accident anytime soon. The
Okay.
crust
Okay, thank you. Very good. It is actually, we're going to describe crust, the outer layer of the earth. Now, it is divided into two, which is the ocean crust and the continental crust. Ocean crust, also known as sea or shell, and sima. So all of this has a meaning. Ano siya yung meaning? But do not forget, what are the two types of crust? Sea or ocean crust, sima or continental crust. Ang edad ko sa crust, 4,500 million years ago, and it could be sima, 3,600 million years ago, sea, 200 million years ago. Ang gibag-on ko ni crust is depth up to 40 kilometer. Average density 2.9 gram cubic centimeter. Okay, let's try to know oceanic crust or ocean crust. That is what you call sea. Go and read for me. The one on the slides. Who will read? Okay, go. Aliyah. AL. Okay, so very good, no? CIDI is silicon, AL for aluminum. That is why it is known as Ca. But commonly we call it oceanic crust. Composition silicon and aluminum. Iron and calcium is also present. Let's go now the other crust, the continental crust or the sima. We will read sima all about. Sige. Tanggal.
SI, silicon, and Ma, magnet, low density, aluminum, potassium, and sulfur.
Are also present.
Older, older part of the crust, 3,000 million years.
Okay, that is the age or the edad ni continental crust. Again, what are the two layers of the crust? Who will answer? Two layers of the crust. Aliyah. Two layers of the crust.
Yellow ocean, crust, and Sima, continental.
Okay, very good. Sima or the continental crust and the oceanic crust. So, two layers, remember? Oceanic crust, continental crust. If you look at the picture, how does it look, ma'am? So, this is your continental crust, oceanic crust, from the word ocean, and dagat, no? And this is the land or the minerals, no? Ang iyang rocks. Okay, crust. Things that you need to remember about crust, outermost layer is divided into two subdivisions. The Cl and the sigma are known as oceanic crust and continental crust. Okay. Now, what is the next layer after crust? If crust is in the outer. Okay, I will answer. The next crust, another. How about this side? What people in this side? What is Ilio? That's mantle. Mantle. O sige, Islam, mantle. Okay, very good. Now, let's have the second layer, which is the mantle. Mantle is the second layer of the interior of the earth. Now, it has also two sub-layers. The upper mantle and the lower mantle. Ang thickness, kung saan man ang pasabot sa thickness? Katambukon. Okay, very good. Kabakaon. Very good. Katambukon. Katambukon is from 35 kilometers to 2,900 kilometers. Average density 4.5. Upper portion of mantle and crust is known as lithosphere, and the lower mantle is asthenosphere. Let's get to know mantle more. Okay, upper mantle is solid, nasa 40 to 400 kilometer. Lithosphere is about 100 kilometer, broken into plates, 7 major plates and 12 minor plates. You'll learn that more when you reach grade 10. Okay? Asthenosphere, high in temperature melting of rocks, convectional current. So this is now the hotter part of the mantle. Now the lower mantle is the molten stage. When you say molten, what does it mean? When you say molten, molten means the tunaw, or tunaw. Very good. Thickness, nasa 400 to 2,000. Also known as mesosphere, that lies below the asthenosphere. Okay. Now, if you look at mantle, so this is now if you cut the earth, this is now the dissecting picture. Now, you have the oceanic plate, continental plate, which is the two part of what layer? Oceanic and continental. Crust. Very good. Now, this is now your mantle and up to here. So, this one is your rigid outer layer mantle, and this is now your molten mantle. So, this is now your lower mantle, the upper mantle. The upper mantle is rigid. What do you mean by the word rigid? So, pasabot sa rigid. Rigid means gahi. Sakal, rigid means gahi. Okay. Molten means nahumog or melt. So you can see also the next layer in that dissecting picture. Okay. Again, what are the two layers of the mantle? Who can answer? Same people are raising. How about the other people? What are the two layers of the mantle? Sige lang ka. Sige lang ka. Ito. Okay, very good. So those are the two layers of the mantle. Okay? Now let's have the points to remember. So mantle is the second layer of the earth, and it is divided into two sub-layers, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. Upper mantle and crust form lithosphere. Convectional currents are found in the asthenosphere, which is the lower part of the mantle. Okay. Now let's go to the third layer. What is the third layer? The innermost layer of the earth. The core. Very good. Do you think the core has a two layer? Do you think the core has a two sub-layer? Yes. What are the two sub-layers?
Outer core and inner.
Okay, very good. Outer core and inner core. Okay, let's get to know core. Okay, core is the third layer of the earth, formed by nickel and iron. Okay, it is also called as knife. We have abbreviation knife for naman. Ni for nickel, Fe for ferrous or iron. What are the two parts again of core?
Outer core, inner.
Okay, very good. Temperature is 11,000 degrees Celsius or even more. Okay, you have to remember that. Inner core is solid in state. Ma'am, how about the outer core? Is it solid or liquid? Okay, liquid. Very good. Okay, if you look at now the difference between the two, the inner core and the outer core, inner core is molten stage, deep varies to 2,100 kilometer, 5,000 kilometer, density is 10.7. Outer core is in, okay, bali ni siya class. Sorry, this is the inner core, nabali ni. So this is the inner core. So, yun lang po. Sige. This is the inner core solid state. Ang solid, ang inner ang baliktad ni outer ang molten, meaning liquid. Okay, high in temperature, high in pressure, and then density is 15 gram cubic centimeter. Again, what are the two layers of the core? Okay, let's have the points to remember. 4 points to remember. Who will read? Katong wala pa ka-receive o mga rewards. Who will read? Manasing Montecillo. O Garjano, who will read? 4 points to remember. Ito, mabasa. Kasi mabasa. For me. Sige lang ka. Bana ka? And high temperature and pressure. Very good. So, nag-question na maulaw. Wala pa nangawa. Okay. So, again, let's have, what are the three layers of the earth? Who will answer? Do not answer in chorus. What are the three layers of the earth? Those who have receive the points. Same people are raising. Okay, Indica. Trust. Laka. Okay, very good. Yeah, usara trust. Yeah, dito. Very good. So remember those three layers of the earth. And each layer is divided into three. Okay. This time, let's have our activity. You will view the video for 5 minutes and then you are going to answer the question.
In this video, we're going to read about the structure of the Earth. Basically, this picture. This represents the interior of the Earth, divided into different layers. So we're going to read about each one of them. The first layer is the crust. It is the outermost solid part of the Earth, basically this region over here. It is brittle in nature because during an earthquake, it is the crust that breaks easily, causing a fault. And we know that the density of material decreases as we go more and more deep. Therefore, the materials which are available in the crust have low density. The thickness of the crust varies under the oceanic and continental areas. And this is obvious because ocean is like a cavity filled with water. If you remember Mariana Trench in the Pacific, it is the deepest known part of the world's oceans with the depth of 10,994 meters, almost 11 kilometers downwards. The mean thickness of oceanic crust is 5 kilometers, whereas that of the continental is around 30 kilometers. So if you drill down the ocean bed and you go 5 kilometers deep, probably you will touch the next layer of the earth, which is the upper mantle. Similarly, if you drill on a continental crust, it will take around 30 kilometers to reach the upper mantle. Again, the thickness of the crust will be more near the areas of mountains, and you can figure out as to why. It is as much as 70 kilometers thick in the Himalayan region. Again, we know that Himalaya was formed due to the collision of plates. When two continental plates collide, it folds the rocks in the boundary, lifting it up and leading to formation of mountains and ranges. Therefore, the thickness of the crust in these regions will be naturally higher. The second layer is the mantle. This region over here is called the mantle. So right from the end of the crust till the outer core is a region that is 2,900 kilometers thick. The upper portion of the mantle is called astronosphere, but this region and the crust together is called lithosphere. Astrono means weak, and due to its weakness, the magma finds a way to the surface during volcanic eruption. Now the total thickness of the
Okay,
crust and
sige
upper
lang.
mantle is also
Please
around
answer the activity
2,900
sheets
kilometers.
uh,
The lower mantle is
within
basically
10
the
minutes
lithosphere.
because you still have the
It is a solid
module with
state.
you while I'm going
This
to
layer is also
replay the
responsible for
video,
all of
okay?
this volcanic and seismic activity because 2,900 kilometer thickness is pretty spacious area for the formation of such natural catastrophes. Now, laboratory experiments on rocks and minerals say that between 100 and 200 kilometers below the Earth's surface, the temperature of the rock is near the melting point. Therefore, Molten rock erupted by some volcanoes originates in this region of the mountain. Remember this, the core of the earth consists of nickel and
Okay,
iron,
just listen
but
with
here
the
in the
video, but
mantle, it is the
you have the
ore that
module with you as your
comprises
guide as
iron
well.
and anode.
Start
It is this
answering
fluidity
the
that
activity
powers the
sheets
movement of
now.
the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust. The third and the final layer is the core. Core comprises of the inner as well as outer core. Now, moments back, we have read the thickness of the mantle is 2,900 kilometers. So after that, immediately the boundary of outer core will begin. The outer core is in liquid state, while the inner core is in solid state. I've made a short video on this curious question. If at all you are interested in finding out the answer, head to the link in the description and find out. So the density of the material at the core is going to be the highest, and we have repeatedly read this that the density of materials increases as we go more and more deep inside the earth. The core is made up of very heavy material, mostly constituted by nickel and iron. It is sometimes referred to as the knife layer. So Ni and Fe are abbreviations of nickel and iron.
Okay, do not
Remember this
forget to
chart
answer
and
also
write it
the
down.
two guide
As we know
questions
that the
below
Earth's core is
the.
divided into two layers, the outer and inner core. The outer core borders the Earth's mantle and is approximately 2,300 kilometers in thickness. The inner core has a thickness of 1,200 kilometers, giving the core a combined thickness of 3,500 kilometers. The outer core consists of nickel and iron in molten state, with a temperature range between 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. The inner core, on the other hand, is composed mostly of iron and has a temperature range between 5,000 to 7,000 degrees Celsius. And the inner core is mostly solid. This was all about the structure of the Earth, which are divided into separate layers, and hopefully you have gained some meaningful context regarding it. If you want to see more of such educational content, be sure to subscribe. By doing so, you get more fresh videos, textbooks, and tutorials regarding all these topics. Thank you.
Okay, do not forget to answer the. Please answer the two guide questions, guys. Okay, 10 minutes. Please do not forget to answer the two guide questions, guys.
because during an earthquake, it is the crust that breaks easily,
Okay.
causing a loop.
Answer only
After
learning
that, the
task
intensity
A.
of material increases.
Learning task A by jubiling
Therefore, the materials which are present
the
in the crust
model,
have low density.
the outline
The
model,
thickness
and
of the
answer
crust
the
triggers
guide
divergence, oceaning,
questions.
and continental areas. And this is obvious because ocean is like a cavity filled with water. If you remember Mariana Trench in the Pacific, it is the deepest known part of the world's oceans, with a depth of 10,992 meters, almost 11 kilometers downwards. The mean thickness of oceanic crust is 5
You're done.
kilometers, whereas that of the continental is around 30 kilometers. So if you drill down
Ah.
an ocean layer and you go 5 kilometers deeper, probably you'll touch the next layer of the earth, which is the lower mantle.
Done with
This
learning
will
task
eventually lead to
A.
the broad continental crust.
Learning task
We will
A
take it
lang.
as study
Yun na.
topics to reach the upper mantle. Again, you can measure the
Done.
crust between the
A
European
muna A.
areas of mountains, and you can figure out distance. It is as much as 70 kilometers thick in the Himalayan region. Again, we know that Himalaya was formed due to the collision of plates. When two continental plates collide, it folds the rocks within the boundary, lifting it up and leading to formation of mountains and ranges. Therefore, the thickness of the crust within these regions will be naturally higher. The second layer is the mantle. This region over here is called the mantle. So, right from the end of the crust till the outer core is a region that is 2,900 kilometers thick. The upper portion of the mantle is called as ionosphere, but this region and the crust together is called lithosphere. Astheno means weak, and due to its weakness, the magma finds a way to the surface during volcanic eruption. Now, the total thickness of the crust and upper mantle, which is also known as the lithosphere, is 200 kilometers. The lower mantle extends beyond the asthenosphere, and it is in solid state. This layer is also responsible for all of Earth's volcanic and seismic activity because 2,900-kilometer thickness is pretty spacious area for the formation of such natural catastrophes. Now, laboratory experiments on rocks and minerals say that between 100 and 200 kilometers below the Earth's surface, the temperature of the rock is near the melting point. Therefore, molten rock erupted by some volcanoes originates in this region of the mantle. Remember this, the core of the Earth consists of nickel and iron, but here in the mantle, it is the molten rock that is fluid and heavy. It is this fluidity that powers the movement of the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust. The third and the final layer is the core. Core comprises of the inner as well as outer core. Now, moments back, we have read the thickness of the mantle is 2,900 kilometers. So after that, immediately the boundary of the outer core will begin. The outer core is in liquid state, while the inner core is in solid state. I've made a short video on this curious question. If at all you are interested in finding out the answer, head to the link in the description and find out. So the density of the material in the core is going to be increased. We have repeatedly read this, that the density of materials increases as we go more and more deep inside the earth. The core is made
Are
up
you
of
done?
very heavy
A?
material, mostly
Yes, sir.
constituted by nickel and iron. It is sometimes referred to as the ninth layer. So Ni and Ne are abbreviations of nickel and iron. Remember this term ninth layer. As we know that the Earth's core is divided into two layers, the outer and the inner core. The outer core borders the Earth's mantle and is approximately 2,300 kilometers in thickness. The inner core has a thickness of 1,200 kilometers, giving the core a combined thickness of 3,500 kilometers. The outer core consists of nickel and iron in molten state, with a temperature range between 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. The inner core, on the other hand, is composed mostly of iron and has a temperature range between 5,000 to 7,000 degrees Celsius. And the inner core is mostly solid. This was all about the structure of the Earth, which is divided into separate layers, and hopefully it needs a bit more context behind it. In this video, we'll
Okay, I know you're done answering, right? So, learning task A only. We will check learning task A only. Everybody's done with learning task A? Raise your hands. Alright, who is done with learning task A? Okay, now. A, you are not yet done with A. So, let's have exchange your seatmate only for learning task A only. Learning task A only. Exchange. Okay. So, You have here the picture of the cloud9. So what is the first? 2 points each. First layer is crust. Second is, and the third is core. Okay. What did you observe about these layers of the cloud9? What did you observe? Cecilio, go. Okay, I'll accept that. Okay, 2 points. So how do you think the chocolate bar relate to the layers of the earth? Oh, sige, send up.
Ako, ma'am. I think that the chocolate bar is the part of the earth.
Okay, correct. Because they have the same layer, no? More or less, ma-relate ninyo sila sa layers of the earth. What's your answer?
In the Mars layers is specific earth, the layers included in the plate, takes coordinates and plate formations unusual, texture, shade difference, shade in between the Mars shape for each type of power in you.
Okay, simple that to say is in cloud9, it has 3 layers that you can relate to the layers of the earth. 2 points each. Okay? Now let's proceed to let us analyze. Sige, dapat to pass sa learning task A, you need to get the score of 8. Who got 8, 10? Stand up. 8 and 10. 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Okay, give yourself a round of applause. Very good. Don't stand up yet, huh? Very good. Now, do not put the final score yet. Very good. You pass. Okay, let's analyze so that we will finish. What causes the thickness of the crust to vary? Ano man? Close your portfolio now or folder. Keep your answers activity sheet now. Put it in your folder now. In a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. Focus now here. I want you to share your answer. Let us analyze. What causes the thickness of the crust to vary? Vary means lahi, or nagkalain-lain. Who wants to give a try? Okay, sige ha, kasi sino referring mo share. I will give you the authority to share your stars. Depende kung kinsa mo tabangan ha. If you think you have ample of awards already. Sige, go your answer.
The crust varies from around 5 kilometers thick to around 70 kilometers deep on land, where we live called the continental crust.
Okay, it varies because we have the oceanic crust and the continental crust. In other words, it has 2 layers and it has a different composition in every layer. So, tungod na po no ani, mo yung possible reason. Tectonic plate, movement of the plate, subduction, water erosion, landslides, and you have also, let's have the earthquake. So, muna yung rason ganong nagkalay-lahi ang thickness of crust. What is the primary composition of each layer? What is the primary composition of each layer? Sa crust, B, what is the composition of crust? Give me 1. Sige, your star. Give me 1 composition of Verbisada. 1 composition only.
Less than 1 of earth by
It is composed of what? Give me 1.
the ocean crust
Ocean crust. Also may composition sa ocean crust.
is Pacific will the contain metal classes of
Composed of unsa lagi?
rocks.
Oh, rocks. I accept. Very good. Crust is also composed of rocks. There's already
points
no
na.
rocks. What else? No more? Sige, let's have the primary composition. Crust is made up of rocks known as silica or silicon, alumina or aluminum, magnesium. We have also iron, calcium, and basalt, granite, and other rocks. For mantle, it has iron and magnesium. For crust, nickel and iron. Okay. How do each Earth's layers compare to each other? So, how do you compare? How do you compare the three layers? Remember, what are the three layers? Crust, mantle. Okay. So, you compare them with their thickness, their composition, their temperature, and their density. Okay. Why is the Earth hotter at the core than on the surface of the Earth? Paano ko naman mas init ang sa core kaysa surface? Well, read. Itong wala pa stars or layer.
Because high pressures inside the Earth, 1.3 million atmosphere, ATM, therefore be hot.
Okay, no? So, na ang reason nga nang mas init ang ilalom tungod kay init ang iyang temperatura plus higher ang iyang kusog ang iyang pressure and temperature. If iron is at the center of the earth, does the earth work like a giant magnet? Kung ang iron ko no may center sa earth, di ba? Dapat? Answer, yes or no only. Sige, yes or no? Ay, ito na answer natin. Doros,
Mambitan na, mambitan.
katong wala may... Yes, okay, very good. Yes, tinawad na. Kay iron man siya, therefore, magnet siya. Karon, kay magnet man siya, yes, correct. Then, what is your proof? Nga, oo na siya. Tungod sa gravity, I'll accept that, no? Then, malawat ko tungod sa gravity. Pero nga naman, isinira mo, Diyos, kinsa ang iyahang kabangon na those who are needing sino ha? Ayaw na tagain ng mga. Okay, answer is yes. But the proof is because all read. Katawala pa yung
Mambitan niyo, mambitan niyo.
Again, louder.
Yes, because.
Okay, tungod may liquid or molten ang iyang outer core. So, because of that. Okay. Asa na ito makumpara ang three layers of the earth? We can compare to the egg. Look at the picture. Lagi, the shell is the crust, the egg white is the mantle, the egg yolk is the core. So, you cannot forget the three layers of the earth every time you eat the egg, okay? Okay, if you're going to see the summary tables in anesthesia, crust, mantle, core, and then there are two subdivision or sublayer, CL, SIMA, upper mantle, lower mantle, outer core, inner core. And they have a different thickness, different density, and different temperature. Okay, if you look at, kanang inyo ko lang i-dissect si layer, and then inyo have ipa-zoom, it could be this, you can have this drawing illustration. Solid core, liquid core, you have the lower mantle, and the upper mantle. So lithosphere crust, upper mantle, and then part of the crust itawag nato og lithosphere. And then the molten is the asthenosphere. Okay? Now, before I give the assignment, again, what are the three layers of the earth? Do not answer in chorus. Those wala by star. Those wala by words, rather. What are the three layers of the earth? Wala sa nato kuman. Again. Crust. Next. Outer core. Inner core. Kulang pa isa. Core and crust combination. Mantle. Okay. So, what are the two layers of the crust? What are the two layers of the crust? What are the two layers of the crust? Oh, fine. Ibigin. Two layers of the crust. Crust. layers saga-saga. Sige, go. Organic grass, ano? Very good. Okay. Let's have, how about the two layers of the mantle? Two layers of the mantle. Two layers of the mantle. Mana? Two layers of the mantle. Two layers of the mantle. And, hello.
Nice.
Nice. How about the core? Two layers of the core. Two layers of the core. Sige. Outer core and inner core. Okay, be responsible of your rewards now. Wala na tulad ko. Okay, no more questions. Inya, sit down first. Inya. Later na, Inya, sit down. Later na. Okay, no more questions. Let's have the assignment. So you're going to make a model of the layers of the earth. You are given a freedom to use any materials for the model. Paminaw. Dali na punta mo kasi, di ba kasi nabot. Okay, I want you to have the 3D model, 3D effect. Claro? So, walay mag-2D. 2D ka, drawing, 2D na ha? 3D, you can have your recycled materials with you. That is your performance task number 3. Okay? Nasabtan? Ma'am, my group, same group with the typhoon. Are you with me? Any question for the assignment? Question for the assignment? Question for the assignment? How about this side? Wala. Thank you for listening and God bless. Meet the beautiful teachers of Sachontan. Okay, no more questions? Okay, paminaw sa. Submit the module only. Module only. For the person sitting in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer sheets. Put it in your portfolio. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Asa ibutang ang answer sheet?
Hello.
Folder or portfolio. Okay. Inside grupo ninyo sa 3D, same group sa typhoon. Klaro? Klaro ba? Yes, baby. Ha? Bansa lang ka? Yeah. Same lang. Same lang. Okay, wala na yung question? Wala na. Paminaw sa ang reward ha. For example, si Sino mula pa siya o more than sa score sa performance task nato sa anticipation. Siya rin muhatag kung kinsa wa tabangan na ayaw, tagain po ng naan na ganong stars. Kasi nabot ha? Sa itong reward? Okay. Wala na yung mga tanan? Goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Please, tapos si Ma'am Gail.
Ma'am, your video, ma'am.
Oh, i-off na lang ba?
Ay, napotol.
John, I'll go and clean it.
Yo, 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 yo.